The Center for Electron Nanoscopy, CEN, is a state-of-the-art center for electron microscopy at the Technical University of Denmark, DTU. Inaugurated in December 2007, the institute was funded by a donation of DKK 100 million from the AP Moller and Chastine MC Kinney Moller Foundation. DTU CEN houses 7 electron microscopes built by FA company ranging from a standard scanning electron microscope to 2 highly specialized Titan transmission electron microscopes. The microscopes are available for use by both in-house and external users. The center is located at DTU, in the northeastern end of the city of Lyngby. The instruments are housed in a new building designed especially for the microscopes, 314. And the offices are located on the first floor of the neighboring building, 307. References. External links. Center for Electron Nanoscopy, DTU CEN. Homepage of Technical University of Denmark, DTU.